Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Champaign County, Clark County, northwestern Greene County, northeastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Huber Heights, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Springfield, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Urbana, New Carlisle, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Northridge, Enon, South Charleston, Brown, Riverside, Harmony, Lisbon, Brighton, Christiansburg, Northampton, and South Vienna. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 38 and 70. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Indiana: Fayette, Franklin, Union, and Wayne, and the following counties in Ohio: Butler, Darke, Montgomery, and Preble. For today and tonight,